Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there, so you don't have to. Today, we are diving into the Placoot office chair mat for hardwood floors. A must-have for anyone who wants to protect their hard floors while enhancing their home office or workspace. This chair mat is considered the best chair mat for hard floors, and in the next few minutes, we're going to explore why it's so highly rated. First off, let's talk about the size. The Placoot chair mat is generously sized at 55 inches by 35 inches, making it perfect for larger workspaces. Whether you're using it under a desk, gaming chair, or an office chair, this mat provides ample space to protect your floor from wear and tear. It's designed specifically for hard floors, such as hardwood, tile, laminate, and linoleum, so if you have carpeted floors, this product isn't the right fit for you. One of the standout features of this chair mat is its anti-slip backing. The upgraded adsorption material on the back ensures that the mat stays firmly in place on your floor, preventing it from sliding around, even during intense chair movements. This is a big plus because it makes sure that the mat won't curl up at the edges, which is a common problem with other mats. For the best results, make sure to tear off the protective PE film on the back before use. The adhesive on this mat is strong, but don't worry, it won't leave any marks or residue on your floor when you remove it. Not only does this mat protect your floors from scratches, scuffs, and marks caused by rolling chairs, but it also helps reduce the noise that comes with chair movement. If you work late at night or play games without wanting to disturb others, this mat absorbs a lot of that rolling sound, making your workspace quieter. The Placoot chair mat is also designed to be pet-friendly, non-toxic, and odorless, which is a great feature if you have animals or are concerned about the environment. Plus, cleaning it is a breeze. Just vacuum it to keep it looking fresh and free from dust and dirt. Just ensure both the mat and floor are clean and dry before installation, and it will adhere perfectly for long-term use. This mat is woven from a blend of gray and white polyester, giving it a subtle and modern design. It's durable, non-fading, and resistant to dirt, which makes it a great choice for a busy home office or workspace. Plus, it doesn't require any complicated setup. Just lay it flat, press lightly to adhere to the floor, and you're good to go. In conclusion, the Placoot office chair mat for hardwood floors is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to protect their floors from damage, reduce noise, and create a more stable rolling experience. With its anti-slip backing, sleek design, and ease of use, it's no wonder it's become a popular choice. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, the Placoot chair mat is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.